I just want to discuss the challenging time what we are facing because of the COVID-19 disease. As you know, COVID-19 is a very infectious disease which is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. And this particular disease not only involves different systems, but mostly it also involves the heart, cardiovascular system. And in this context of World Heart Day, let me say a few important points regarding heart involvement in COVID-19. According to the World Heart Federation, it is mentioned that this COVID-19 is a very perfect storm for the heart disease patient. Perfect storm in the sense that person who has got heart disease, they do very badly when COVID-19 gets infected. Their death rates are high as well as complications are high in person who has got already heart disease. Second factor is even healthy heart can get involved with a COVID-19 infection with different complications. Third, what we have seen now, that number of cases coming to hospital having chronic diseases like heart diseases are less. Reason is that they are scared of coming to hospital in the fear that they might get infected with COVID-19. So this is a big challenge. And if you really think about what is happening to those patients who has got heart disease, it has been documented in USA as well as in Europe, where they get infected earlier than our country. They have experienced significant death out of hospital. That means people who have been suffering from cardiovascular disease, heart disease, they are not coming to the hospital. It doesn't mean that heart disease has come down. Those people who are not able to come to the hospital, they are staying at home, they are developing more complications, and many people are dying because of the complications. And also we have also noticed, we have done one study during the lockdown period in our hospital. We have also noted that our number of heart diseases come down. And people who are coming to the hospital, they are coming very late with more complications. As you know that when heart disease, heart attacks happen, persons should come at the earliest to the hospital to get better treatment, and thus we can reduce the mortality as well as we can reduce the complications. But somebody comes late, they are exposing themselves to more complications. In fact, number of deaths will be high in that situation. So this is the situation what is developing at this stage because of the COVID-19. Now, what we can do in this, as you know, cardiovascular disease as such is a number one killer of the non-communicable diseases, and many factors starting from the smoking, high blood pressure, diabetes, lack of exercise, pollutions, all these factors contribute in the development of heart diseases. On top of that, with the COVID-19 infection, heart disease is becoming a very complex issue now. How to treat this, how to tell the person, how to inform people that you should come to the hospital early. So it is a complex situation in the sense that people are scared to come to the hospital with the fear that they will get infection. At the same time, if they do not come, they get more complications and they are dying out of hospital because of this. So with this kind of words, I should say that still we need to educate people, we need to inform that they should not underplay or neglect their symptoms when they have been suffering from heart disease. So if they develop symptoms, they should come to the hospital, because all hospitals, I am sure, they are taking all precautions to contain this virus. We are doing all kind of precautions not to spread the disease to the patient as well as to the relatives. So that maximum care has been taken from many hospitals, and this is a time all of us should work together, not only contain this virus, but to help people who are at high risk, like a cardiovascular disease, to reduce death as well as complications. We should educate them that they should come to the hospital if they have symptoms like non-COVID situations. So this is very, very important. Otherwise, we are going to see a lot of deaths in the society, in the community, if you do not educate people. This is very, very important. I appeal to all of you to pass this message that in spite of having COVID situation, they can come to the hospital, because all hospitals are taking adequate care not to spread this disease. At the same time, all cardiac facilities are open in most of the hospitals, and we have been treating serious patients. Even we are running the OPDs with all precautions. We take care of ourselves as well as for the patient we take care. And even all cases, all procedures have been performed in our hospital and many hospitals in the cath lab, in the theater. Although we are taking precautions in the sense that all stable patients we are postponing many a time, all stable patients who can be managed medically, we are postponing, but emergency cases whom we need to give care, we are doing that. So this is, I think in this press meet, I like to inform all patients who have been suffering from heart disease, they can come forward, they can come to hospital, and we'll take care of them. Another aspects, we have opened up, many hospitals now open up online consultations. We are giving appointment, many hospitals are giving online consultations. If it is not emergency, they can take an online consultation from doctors. They can take adequate necessary advice from the doctor, and they can continue the treatment. But nobody should remain without consultation, either offline or online, in this difficult time.
Yeah.